types with your bowling. You got to exhibit a flexible mindset as the captain of the team and as the think tank. Always be open for suggestions, always be open for new ideas, new options. That is what you call not being monotonous, not being rigid in your mindset. You got to be flexible. Looks like once again it's going to be Ashok Kedwal to come into bat. Once again, a big thank you to the organizing committee members. Sunil Singhania ji, the chairman, Sucharita Shetty, Manoj Kesari, Shaili Jha, Pawan Mundra, Vikas Gupta, Mr. Michael, Sandeep Vaidya and Rupendra Soni. The first wicket down. In comes Pawan Mundra. -2. Still early days. That is the perfect landing. Chinmay has got that X factor to him. He remains to be the ace up the sleeve of team. cheesy Super Kings. The score after 2 overs, 3 for 1. Oh, a little uppishly. We'll have to wait and watch. That's been given out. And straight away it's been referred upstairs by Pavan Mundra. on his way back, Pawan. -2 for 2. They're off to a very good start here, team Cheesy Super Kings, after winning the toss and opting to bowl first. Vikas Sharma coming into bat at the number 4 spot. That's a wide delivery. And that's a no ball, free hit. Oh, he got his hand to the ball. A good stop. Oh, he misses. That's a boundary. Chinmay lost his footing. Nicely turned away around the corner. Down the leg side. That's a no ball. Before it can be declared a wide one, that was short of the center pitch. It's a free hit. We are into over number 3. 1 ball to go. The score at the moment is 6 for 2. The bowler at the moment is Bharat. तीन ओवर के बाद 6 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर that goes out of the box. So that is box out. -5. The score comes down to 1. 1 for the loss of 3 wickets. Kalpesh being pressed into the attack. The left-handed Gaurav now arrives at the wicket. That's a wide, quite the right call. A good looking cover drive, but only one run for that good shot. Or 4 for 3. We are into over number 4. 3 balls to go. The score is 4 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. A little uppish, not too far away from the lunging hands of the fielder in that key mid-off position. Not too far away from him. A 7 for 3 after 4. 4 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद केवल और केवल 7 रन 3 विकेट्स के नुकसान पर। इसके बाद और एक मैच खेलना बाकी है। टीम एडमिंटन बनाम क्लासी राइडर्स, and tomorrow once again a 7 o'clock start. Day number 3. Tomorrow morning, 4 matches to go. This is the 4th match of the evening underway. It starts off with a no ball. A free hit. Off the outside edge, closing the face of the bat a little early. 12 for 3. A big thank you to our sponsor, that is Dhanlaxmi Group. Mr. Dipesh Nigam. The only sponsor of the event, Dhanlaxmi Group. A bit of a mix-up, and Gaurav has had a big penalty to pay. A run out to -5. Will bring down the score to 7 for 4. The final delivery to come in over number 5. कुल मिला के 19 गेंद अभी भी आनी बाकी है इस इनिंग्स में। इस मैच के टॉस को जीता है टीम चार्जर्स ने, गेंदबाजी का चयन किया है एक अच्छी स्थिति में हालांकि कुछ क्रिकेट अभी भी खेलना बाकी है। ये अहम बात होगी कि टीम चार्जर्स किस तरह के फाइट बैक मूड में है, ये बहुत ही ज्यादा मायने रखता है। Just look at the documentation that has gone into the organization of this event. So many Excel sheets, team owners, and all the dynamics, the rules and regulations. Everything was first put on the drawing board. Once you put everything on the drawing board and you are absolutely sure of it being a success story, that is the time you start to put that event into execution. And the first thing that any organizer wants to do is to get the team owners on board. Having done that, it's time for the sponsors to be brought on board. And then it's all about micro planning. And yes, it is such a good habit that the cricket committee of the exquisite CHSL has cultivated. नो प्रॉब्लम। 5 ओवर के बाद 8 रन 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर। Good bit of work. Yes, you got to be very smart with your cricket here. As I've been mentioning consistently, this is not an easy format to be playing. अच्छी ओवर के बाद 15 रन 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर। जबकि अब दूसरा दिन मार्गस से और मैच नंबर 11वां मैच प्रगति पथ पर है, तो 30-35 रन से डिफेंड हो सकते हैं। ये बात उभर कर आई है कि 32, 34, 35 रन बना लेते हो तो डिफेंडेबल है। Oh, that's a 6 maybe. A flat 6. The placement spot on. Just what the doctor ordered. With that boundary, a big sigh of relief. बड़ी राहत की सांस ली है उस छक्के के साथ. 29. All of a sudden, this score is looking so decent. All of a sudden, एक 6 कितना ज्यादा महत्व रखता है. 31 for 4 now. (31 for 4). 1 ball to go in over number 7. और ये मामला पेचीदा है और ये माइनस सिनारियो. -10. The score after 7 overs, 21. 21 for 5 after the deductions. The senior player Kashyap Thakur now arrives at the wicket. He's coming in at a very crucial juncture in the match. They need some handy runs from his blade. That is well played. Amrish bowling the first over of his spell and the last for the team in this innings. Manish is back on strike. Well fielded, very well fielded. Collected on the half volley. (24). 3 to go in the final over. दूसरा रन बड़ी आसानी से बनता है. That was always on the cards. A very quick pickup and release of the ball. The score now at the end of 8 overs is 27 for 5. The target is only 28. Cheesy Super Kings require 28 runs to win the match of their 48 balls.
Hello everyone, my name is Manavrat Singhvi and I just wanted to quickly introduce myself. Our background is diamond trading and manufacturing, so I'm just really excited to share my new bespoke jewelry venture by the brand name of Albertine Jewelry. Really excited that I was given the opportunity to display this new venture in front of the entire society through this EPL tournament, and I was part of it last year as well, and it was so much fun that I knew I had to do this again. So yeah, just looking forward to a great season, and yeah, let's everyone have some fun. Thank you.
Kashyap to be bowling the first over. Falling back on experience to bail the team out of trouble. He's been in very good bowling form, Kashyap. So he will be looking to carry that good bowling form into this very, very crucial match. He's got a very important role to play here, Kashyap. Got to put the ball in the right area. Got to ask questions of the top order of Cheesy Super Kings. Playtime. Only 28 required. All set. Good to go. Starts with a wide run. That's a no ball. They cannot afford to give away this kind of runs. With that single, the score now on to 8. जबकि पहला ओवर इस वक्त अपने प्रगति पथ पर है, रन संख्या 8 रन, बहुत ही बढ़िया शुरुआत. That is one of his strong points, to put the ball in the right area, getting all his experience into play. Such a cool customer. Oh, he missed it. 3 stumps to aim at. That -5 was there for the taking. Missing on that occasion, Pawan Mundra. पहले ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 10 रन बिना कोई नुकसान के और 18 रन बनाने हैं इस मैच को जीतने के लिए. Oh, what a delivery. Nowhere in a position to play that shot, Ninad. Much better. Very nicely turning it round the corner. Good channel bowling, metronomic bowling. Bowling in that corridor of uncertainty. Oh, superbly bowled. What a delivery. That's a japper. Beating the batsman, all ends up lock, stock and barrel. चारों खाने चीत किया बल्लेबाज को, फ्लाइट में बीट किया. एक साजिश रची थी. The earlier 2 deliveries were very bold, very smartly. The trap was laid and the batsman falling into the trap. The first wicket down, -5. In comes Chinmay. just looking to tweak the ball. He's a tweak bowler. That's a no ball. This is what they do not want. Afraid to Chinmay. Nine for 1. दूसरे ओवर की एक गेंद आनी बाकी है. Oh, he was a little casual in that execution of the shot. No harm done. Fortunately, Ninad is still there at the wicket. End of 2 overs, 9 for 1. इस मैच को जीतने के लिए 28 रन्स बनाने हैं. एक नेगेटिव मार्किंग के बावजूद 2 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद एक सम्मानजनक स्कोर है. 9 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. The match is evenly balanced, even Steven, in a state of equilibrium. Some way to go before the winning team is decided. Still so late in the evening, we've got an enthusiastic crowd watching the match, cheering the players. The EPL is one of the most awaited events on the annual calendar at the exquisite CHSL. There's always a certain buzz in the air as the EPL gets unfolded. The only talk of the town is EPL. A 13 for 1. Over number 3 underway, 2 balls to go. 13 for 1, 28 runs to win the match. Time to hold on to the nerves. It's all about picking up the match situation and accordingly setting up the game. 3 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 13 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर थिंक टैंक कश्मकश में है कि किसे गेंदबाजी दी जाए. 13 for 1 after 3. इस मैच को जीतने के लिए 28 रन्स बनाने हैं. 28 रन्स के बाद भी पूरे 8 ओवर्स खेलने होंगे क्योंकि वो नेगेटिव मार्किंग दिया जाता है और उसी वजह से आखिरी लम्हों तक मैच का जाना बिल्कुल बनता है. एक बिल्कुल टेलर मेड फॉर्मेट है. काफ़ी ट्रायल एंड एरर्स के बाद जब कि हम सीजन नंबर 5 में है तब जाके हमारा ये रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन अब बिल्कुल सेट होता हुआ. अभी भी कुछ नए चैलेंजेस आते हर साल. Rohit into the attack. Well timed. A 14 for 1. उस सिंगल के साथ 15 रन. बहुत ही ज़्यादा छोटी गेंद थी, बड़ी आसानी से क्रॉस बैट के साथ खेला साइड नेट में। एंड ऑफ 4 ओवर्स, 16 for 1। आने वाली 12 गेंदों में, माफ कीजिएगा 24 गेंदों में 12 रन्स बनाने हैं और उसके बाद भी मैच आगे बढ़ता रहेगा वो नेगेटिव मार्किंग्स के लिए। आज के दिन का आखिरी मैच टीम क्लासी राइडर्स बनाम एडमिंटाइन। Requesting both the camps to be absolutely ready. We are behind schedule for the first time. Day number 2, we are 15 minutes behind schedule. Otherwise, most times we have stuck to the schedule, and that is to the credit of all the team owners, the team players. Never mind, it's a very close game, so we can understand. Pavan Mundra into the attack. 16 for 1 after 4. Straight down his throat. Manish makes no mistake. -5. Chinmay gone. -10. It is the because it is a super over -10. The X Factor player Chinmay is back in the pavilion, so that is a key wicket. Team Chargers are so excited about that wicket. राहत की सांस लिए. They know that they are back in the match. आप इस मौके का किस तरह से फायदा उठाते टीम चार्जर्स, ये देखने लायक होगा. The new man Kalpesh straight away off the mark with a good looking straight drive. Slow to the air. Not afraid to toss the ball up. That's a no ball. पांच ओवर के बाद 14 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर. आफ्टर 5, 14 for 2. 28 to win. यानी कि अब 18 गेंदों में 14 और बनाने हैं. एक नई साजिश रचते हुए टीम चार्जर्स थिंक टैंक साथ में आई है. They are into a huddle. They need to revisit their strategy, or they need to once again reconfirm what game plan they play to. The one thing that is absolutely sure that you got to have a game plan. You cannot move ahead without a direction. You got to have a plan in place. Vikas Sharma now into the attack. It's been a reasonable campaign for Vikas so far. He's been one of the steady performers. But tonight, now in this kind of a tight situation, he's got to be at his lethal best. They need wickets here. On the other hand, the batting team, they will have to be cool and composed. They cannot afford to press the panic button. Oh, a little uppish. That goes out of the box. A negative marking. Eleven for 3. Over number 6 underway. A 15 balls and 17 to win. 15 गेंदों में 17 रनों की दरकार. The experienced Ambarish at the wicket. Giving that good delivery, the due respect. That one just held on to its line. What a delivery. 2 dot balls is on the edge. One to go. Oh, -5. No, 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 no. They've taken a review, is it?
एक्स्ट्रा कैसे होएगा तो डॉट बॉल कैसे होएगा फिर? व्हाट इज डॉट सर? डॉट क्या होता है बैट्समैन के लिए कि बैट से बॉल का कनेक्शन नहीं हुआ है? बाइक अलाउड है, बाइक अलाउड है, बट सर वो डॉट बॉल है ना सर। ये डॉट क्या होता है? डॉट बॉल क्या होता है? डॉट का मतलब ये होता है कि बैट और बॉल का कनेक्शन कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है। बैट्समैन ने 3 डॉट बॉल खेला है, ये राइट है।
अच्छे ओवर के बाद 6 रन 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर 12 गेंदों में अब 22 बनाने हैं, 22।
हाँ सर, वही या तो इधर विकेट, इधर यू कंसीडर अ रन। इफ यू आर अलाउइंग अ रन देन इट्स नॉट अ डॉट बॉल फॉर द बैट्समैन। सर 3 डॉट बॉल का रूल अलग होता है। 3 डॉट बॉल मींस द
The score is 12 at the moment. 12. अच्छी ओवर के बाद 12 रन 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर। Such a good delivery by Kashyap. दस गेंदों में 15 रनों की जरूरत। 10 balls, 15 to win. 15 for 3 after 6.4. 8 balls, 13 to win. That man was perfectly stationed in that position to be taking that catch. End of 7 overs, 16 for 3. The final 6 balls and 12 runs to win the match. 6 में 12. पांच में 11. -5. चार गेंदों में अब इस मैच को जीतने के लिए 16 रन बनाने हैं. इस वक्त रन संख्या 12 रन 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर. One more man bites the dust. बिल्कुल जीत की दहलीज पर टीम चार्जर्स. जीत के दरवाजे पर जोरों से दस्तक देती हुई स्ट्राइक पर है कल्पेश. The final ball coming up. 19 required of the last ball. $18 more required. 18 more. It's all over. Congratulations to Team Chargers as they win this very, very crucial encounter. Hard luck, team चीजी सुपर किंग्स। अगला मैच आज के दिन का आखिरी मैच एडमिंटन बनाम क्लासी राइडर्स।